Welcome to day 28, Chopsticks. This is a real fun one on the piano because you get the dissonance when your fingers playing against each other, and then it spreads out to playing a more harmonious sound. Anyway, I'm going to play the melody first and the harmony second, and the little V on its side is an accent, and it's to give a little bit more pizzazz or emphasis on that note. It's like a tiny little decrescendo. So, wah. It's also in 3. I will give 2 counts and then 1 count of rest, and then we'll come in. There's also a first ending and a second ending. The first ending you play the first time, then you hit the repeat, jump back to the beginning, and then jump over the first ending and go to the second ending the second time. Here we go. 1, 2. Harmony. 1, 2. Happy holidays. Hope this video helped you, and if you played along with it and or like it, give it a thumbs up, and as the boys say, accent the like button. Happy holidays.